Zero content ideas. I hear this from creators every single week, and every time I tell them the same thing. You don't have an idea problem, you actually just have a framework problem. Because once you understand the right framework, you will never, and I mean never ever, stare at a blank screen of yours wondering what to post. Let me give you the exact framework I use and I teach every creator I work with. It's called the CARE method, the CARE method. This method gives you an unlimited content from just 4 baskets. The C, it stands for common questions. What do people in your life, friends, family, or followers ask you about most? What do you find yourself explaining over and over and over again? Every one of those questions is a video. If someone asks you the question out loud, I promise you there are 10,000 people typing it into YouTube, TikTok, Instagram right now. A stands for advice you wish you had known back when you were starting out. What do you know now that you desperately needed then? The gap between where your audience is and where you have been, that is the content gold mine. And it's a hack I've given you. I wish someone told me this when I started this. It's one of the most powerful hooks in content creation for a reason. R stands for results. What results have you gotten? What results have your clients gotten? Real, specific, documented wins or contents. For example, here is how I grew from 0 to 5,000 in 6 months. It's a video. Or here is how my client booked her first paid speaking gig using content. It's a video. This helps build credibility and desire simultaneously. E stands for errors. What mistakes are people making in your niche right now? What are the costly misunderstandings that are keeping your audience stuck? Call out that particular error. Fix the error. And then you become the guide who is going to save them from the pain they are already feeling. Here's how to use this system. Every Sunday, for example, open a note app and quickly go through each letters. What common questions come up this week? What advice? Any results to share? Any error you spotted? In 15 minutes, believe you me, you would have gotten 4 to 8 content ideas that are relevant, timely, and valuable to your exact audience. Then here is the bonus move I want to give you. Take one idea and turn it into multiple formats. One concept becomes a reel, a carousel, short form video, a story, and a text post. And that's 5 pieces of content from just one idea. Stop saying that you have no content idea. You have the endless content ideas you can ever think of. You just needed a system to unlock them. Screenshot the CARE framework right now because you will use it every single week. CARE is common questions, advice, results, and errors. If you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Samora and Trish, across all social media platforms. Give me the follow, write in the comment section your niche, and see you in my next video.